Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, we'll explain how to hide the price on your Shopify store. Whether you want to display prices only to certain users, or hide them entirely for a limited time, we'll walk you through the steps to do this quickly and effectively. To start, log into your Shopify admin and go to the online store section. From there, click on Themes. Next, you'll want to find your current theme. Click on Actions, and then select Edit Code. This is where you can make changes to your theme's files. We recommend creating a duplicate of your theme before making any changes, just in case you need to revert them later. In the code editor, locate the file that controls product price visibility. This file is usually called something like Product Template, Liquid. You can find it under the Sections or Templates folder, depending on how your theme is set up. Once you've opened the Product Template, Liquid file, look for the code that displays the product price. It will typically be something like product price money. To hide the price, you can remove this part or comment it out. Commenting it out will keep it in the code but hide it from customers. You can do this by adding a special comment tag around that line. If you'd like to hide the price conditionally, for example, only for guest users and not for logged-in customers, you can add a check. This will allow you to display the price to logged-in users, while showing a message like, "Price available for logged-in users only to guests." After making your changes, click Save to apply them. Be sure to preview your store to check how it looks. If you need to make adjustments, just go back to the code and make any necessary changes. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.